Hi, my name is Pam, and I'm a patient here at Dr. George. The difficulties that I was having prior to coming here was that I needed some work done on a couple of teeth that had to be replaced, and this is how we came across Dr. George. When meeting him for the first time was just such a joy. He is a very nice person to work with, and his work is superb. His entire staff is superb. From the time you walk in the door to someone greeting you to the time you leave, you feel very much at home.
So that day when she came in, Pam and I, we discussed her options about what we wanted to do at that point. Since she had fractured the bridge, we could either just remove the false tooth in between the two crowns where that bridge is, and then place an implant in the area, or we could just refabricate her a brand new bridge for her. She decided to actually just go with the refabrication of the new bridge. What we did is we sectioned the bridge, which means that we cut out the false tooth just so that she could be able to eat on that side one more time, so there weren't any sharp areas, there weren't anything that could lacerate the tongue or the lips in that area.
Once the work was done, I was extremely happy with the way that things went. There was no pain, not in my instance at all, and the way that my mouth looked afterwards was awesome. I think that I was smiling a little bit more having gone through that with this office.